The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
My name is Leonard Drummond and I'm asking you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Access Number 2, The East. This channel is geared towards highlighting businesses and young entrepreneurs in the parish of St. Thomas, Jamaica that will be benefiting significantly after the improvement in the road infrastructure has been completed in the parish of St. Thomas, Jamaica. I'm asking you guys to please like and subscribe to my channel, Access to the East. I want to say a special shout out to Dancehall Skilla. Dancehall Skilla, you have been doing an amazing job. Thank you for your support.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, I am here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, the person who you saw in the video that I just presented to you, he goes by the name of Leonard. And he has a YouTube channel. See me? And according to the contents that I saw on that YouTube channel, I got the understanding that he is letting persons know about some positive things that are happening within the country of Jamaica. And anyone who do anything that is positive about the country of Jamaica, me Dancehall Skilla, I support it. You understand? So I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to go over to his YouTube channel and support his YouTube channel. You understand? The name of the YouTube channel is Access to the East. Yeah, that's Access to the East, isn't it? It kind of sounds like Access to the East. Yeah, but it's Access to the East. Alright? So go over to his channel, support his channel, and let him know that me Dancehall Skilla send you. You see it? Alright, so I got information that a female who goes by the name of Solaine had been arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica sometime within the month of March, the year 2021. It is said that Solaine had been arrested by the police because of her birthday and the 9-night event that had been held sometime within the month of March, the year 2021. It is also said that Solaine had been granted bail and other things have been said about Solaine as well, isn't it? However, I saw a video on social media and this video shows when Solaine was explaining to Miss Donna what happened, you know, and I'm going to present this video to you so that you can take a look at this video and listen to some of the things that Solaine had said, and maybe you, my viewers and subscribers, might get a better understanding as to what happened. You understand? However, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
I've done with that, you know. Live coming out of jail, make you hear what happened. And bail. I want to you.
Follow the girl.
After you got jail barefoot?
Yeah. I'm follow the girl to show her with the pampas themselves.
Oh, Papa Debbie.
Yeah, man, Miss Debbie attack. This is some police over next time. The same drip, then they go 100 days and come out and back to the son. This is she not can pick them and say, I tell her the vehicle them a pass. The people them there, I tell her. Hey, miss. Yeah, tell her, Mr. Yohan. Come here, Mr. You can't take come there every day. I'm not know you go. First, we have to be a police. Yeah, Mr.
I never police. But me never send you out, so you tell them to me send you out.
No, don't. Mr. McDonald send me out.
Me not send you nowhere.
I'm going to buy the cigarette. And the girl give me one cranberry. So we just trick them and say, and Mr. we never reverse. Some boy don't do this. Start say, yo.
Remember you dip on the live, you know.
Some boy don't just start say, yo. Hear them. Me not going to be standing.
So you call my name to police?
Yeah.
I'm not send you nowhere.
I'm not remember all that. And anything must remember me tell you. I'm very trouble. When them carry it, what will you do? Me say, why you never going to talk when shoot out my dear? Why you never look a criminal? Me look like a criminal to you? They said, the daughter.
So we can't have station that makes too much noise.
Because I'm the one of them.
So what a paper that you bail band that?
No, they come out video, our TV station come.
Down there?
Can't video me. I tell me to talk how it goes.
So you celebrity put film me talk on the live so you get lock up TV station come.
TV station and say RFM bring this.
And never so all RFM come interview you. So you're a real star.
Yes,
so what kind of paper that now?
You said they don't see the police officer and come on court. I told you. I don't give a 12,000 lick.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. The video that shows Solaine explaining to Miss Donna some of the things that she said happened. You see it? Now the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. According to some things that have been said on social media and according to some things that have been shown and said in the video, I got the understanding that this video shows what happened when 3 persons had been stopped by the police somewhere within the United Kingdom. See? According to some comments that I read on social media about this video, I got the understanding that some persons are asking why the police only handcuffed the 2 persons who are said to be African descendants. According to some comments that I read on social media, I got the understanding that some persons are saying that this video shows some things that are considered to be racism, and other things have been said as well about the video on social media. However, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself, and you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. Alright? Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the United Kingdom this video had been recorded, nor do I have any confirmed information as to when this video had been recorded. But however, this video is being talked about on social media, and I'm going to present this video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself, and you can also let me know what you think. Alright? Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Done wrong? What has he done wrong? No, what has he done? Just stand there. What has he done wrong? He hasn't done anything wrong. What has he done wrong? 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 Excuse me, what is the reason why you've handcuffed him?
No, you move back.
No, I won't. No. What is the reason why you've handcuffed him? No, what is the reason why you've handcuffed him? It's unlawful. You haven't done anything wrong. He hasn't done anything wrong. Please tell him what you've handcuffed him for.
Cool, search me.
It's unnecessary.
Man's just lining up and they're coming after me.
You could have stopped. You could have stopped him. Just stopped him. You could have stopped him. He didn't resist arrest. He didn't resist anything. What do you mean respect? 2 meters is talking in the man's face. Dre Sponson saying 2 meters and you're standing in the man's face. That's what I'm saying. You're standing in the man's face and saying 2 meters. No, you see what I'm saying? Excuse me. What? Hello. Okay, so he's out of the line now. He's out of the line. He's out of the line now. You didn't need to handcuff him to search him. He wasn't resisting arrest. He didn't resist, so what was the reason for handcuffing him? It's quite deep.
I'm engaged with him, man.
Pardon? But it's quite embarrassing. It's quite embarrassing. As someone who's been subjected to this situation. No, but you handcuffed him for no reason. You could have said
he started resisting me.
Okay.
I'm not going to get into an argument.
Okay.
I was lining up and after you're following me. You're lying. Look, what's everyone else thinking? What's everyone else thinking? Can we rewind? What's everyone else thinking? What's your first name, man? Don't worry.
Search him then. Search him. I'll stand here as a witness. Search him. Search him. If you don't find anything, you don't need his name. If you don't find nothing, search him. If you don't find nothing, you don't need his name. It's not under the law to give officers their name.
You're a joker. You're a joker. And that is why you've ended up in here.
No problem. But at the same time, could your other officer keep the 2 meter distance as he's under handcuffs?
No.
Under Corona. This is what Boris has told us. You have to keep 2 meters. I understand you're doing your job.
Sir, you are not
search
helping.
him. I'm not helping what?
Search me. Just hurry up.
The young boy's been black subject to what? As long as everything's lawful, I'll stand here. It's within my rights.
Stop talking and search me. You're the one talking.
No. Let him do his job. He wants to search you. Let him search you. Yeah. As long as you're not in the wrong. You're okay. That's it. Simple. Let him search you.
If he needs searching, you go home. That's it.
What are you doing wrong with? Right? Man, spilling my water bottle.
No, but let him search you. It's not a problem.
When you finish, you go home.
No, I'm not sorry. Don't worry about my name. Don't worry about my name. What have I done? I'm lining up, don't worry.
If you don't find anything lawful, go to Enfield Park and see the other people congregating. Go and harass them as well then, innit? And put them in handcuffs. Can't just put people in handcuffs for no reason.
You start becoming evasive.
Do you understand? Go to the park where everyone's having a barbecue and handcuff them and search them same time. Hello? So then go to the park and handcuff them and search them. I'm allowed to speak. It's England. I've got my own voice. You can't say to me I can't speak now. Arrest me for speaking then. Arrest me for speaking. Go to the park and handcuff everybody who's in the park that's breaking corona. You can't say just that he's doing this to him now then. That's what his reason is for handcuffing the poor boy. Because of corona. Go to the park and handcuff them and search them as well. That's what I'm saying. It's not fair. I have a young son. I wouldn't like that to be my son. Handcuff. It's wrong. You shouldn't handcuff people. I'm not against you searching him if he's in the wrong. However, if you're saying under corona, go to the park and handcuff them at the same time when you're speaking to them.
It's under corona.
Alright,
you are
cool.
not helping, are you?
I'm not helping.
No, you're not.
Okay. As long as it's not a unlawful arrest, I'm here.
It's not being arrested.
Search him. But he's handcuffed.
You know what you're going on about. I'll start
It's
engaging in a
handcuffed.
conversation with you, sir.
After you've searched
When
him.
you finish, my guy, when I go shopping, can I put that in your pocket? Can I put that in your pocket or your bag? So you don't drop it.
I told you, that's the thing.
Cattle. I'd like to see if they do this to Joe Bloggs in Enfield Park today. Enfield Town Park. I'd like to know that. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Look, hello everybody. Would you like to see? This boy was with the rest of them. Sorry, young man. But there's a reason why he's not in handcuffs. And this young man is in handcuffs. And this young man is in handcuffs. Excuse me, officer, could you please explain why he's in handcuffs, the black boy's in handcuffs, this black boy's in handcuffs, they was all together and this man is not in handcuffs. Please explain that. Explain it. Sir, can you see the difference? He's not in handcuffs, and this young boy's in handcuffs, and this young boy's in handcuffs, but they was all together. Please explain that. Enfield. And they say that racism is not here no more. Why? Why is the two black boys in handcuffs and who's not? They was all together. Go on, explain that, officers. Explain that. Explain that, officers. Explain that. You can't. Fuckers, man. It's fucking bullshit. And you lot took...
Viewers and subscribers, it look away. It really looks away. It look away. Anyways, let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm my name Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla.